This is a quick video demonstrating how to create tables in PowerPoint 2013. We have the Office theme open with the title slide layout up on our screen. First thing we're going to do is change this layout to the standard content slide, the title and content layout. And on this one we have 6 content placeholders, and the first one here is the table placeholder. If I click this placeholder, I can define a table, and let's choose a 4x4 table, and the 4x4 table is created and fills the content placeholder. Okay, that's one way to create tables. Now another way is to go to the Insert tab, and there's a Insert Table command here. When you click the drop down, there's a grid of little squares, and we can draw a 4x4 table here. And you'll notice the difference between these two is that the one we used the placeholder on completely filled the placeholder. The other one's a free-floating object and is smaller, but can certainly be resized to the same dimensions as the other one. Now let's create a new slide. I want to use a blank slide now because there's a couple other ways to get tables on a PowerPoint slide, and one of them is to copy in from Word or Excel. So I've got a table up in Word here. I'm going to right click it and choose Copy, go back to PowerPoint, right click it, and here's my paste options. Use the destination style, the source style, embed it. Now embedding is different than just copying it in. If you embed, you actually embed the Word object in here. We'll talk more about embedded objects later. Generally you do not want to do this. You want to make one of those first two choices. The other choices are to paste it in as a picture. That's generally not something you want to do. Or use the text only. Let's go ahead and use the destination style. We notice it's quite small, but we can resize it and then use the formatting tools in PowerPoint to give it a readable sized font. Okay, something like that. You have the same options with Excel. Let's create a new blank slide here. Pop up Excel. Here we have a table. Let's go ahead and copy this table. Let's go back to PowerPoint, and notice we have those same choices. In both the Word and the PowerPoint, if we actually embed the object, then we do not have table tools to work with. Notice that when I select this object, I get the Drawing Tools tab up here. I do not get the table tools. And really what it is an embedded Excel spreadsheet. If I were to double click it, I would actually open Excel, this little mini version of Excel right inside PowerPoint, and be able to work in Excel here. What it lacks though is the formatting tools that I would have with normal PowerPoint tables. Okay. Now the other way to create tables, this is one that you might like to play with, but is really less easy than the other ways, is to go to the Insert tab and choose Draw Table, and you get a little pencil here where you can end up drawing your table, drawing rows and columns in it, and so forth. That's a little more difficult to do, and you only use that when you have really complex tables you wish to draw. Thanks for listening.